how to create a wallet on Trust Wallet application. So if you want to create a wallet, then first of all, open up your Trust Wallet application. Make sure to install it. And once you've installed, you can tap on Get Started. And from here, you can tap on Create New Wallet. Tap on that. And then you can tap on Backup options. So you can tap on Backup manually, or you can go for backup to Google Drive. So I'll be choosing the first option. And then now simply tap on those circles and then tap on Continue. And here you have to simply see your secret phrase. So you should never share your secret phrase with anyone and store it securely. You can simply see your secret phrase, or you can simply tap on Copy to Clipboard and make sure to read all of this and then tap on Continue. And here you need to enter the secret phrase, or you need to get verified. So simply enter that, and after selecting that, tap on Confirm. And after tapping on Confirm, here you need to add some extra passcode. Simply enter that, and then again you need to confirm your passcode, and you can enter your biometric login, or you can simply deny that. And that's it. Tap on Start Using Trust Wallet and allow, and that's it. That's how you create your wallet on your Trust Wallet application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.